What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, it's gonna be a different type of video. This video is gonna be for those who want to become an influencer and try to find an influencer program that they can actually be a part of, get paid, get free products, but you're still a small content creator like myself. Continue watching. This is the video for you. Trust and believe. I recently joined the Temu Influencer Program, and I didn't even think it was possible because I do not have that many subscribers. I do not have that many followers across all my platforms. But you don't need all that with Temu. You do need a certain number, but it's a low enough number that is not that intimidating. And then they allow you to still be a part of their program. And once you become an influencer, you will get a certain amount of money. It may fluctuate, so I don't want to give a set money, but within the instructions, once becoming an influencer, it will let you know how much money. But on this, over here on this screen, you see you can do products campaign or online campaign. With products campaign, you will have to accumulate at least $30 within your seeding balance. And with the seeding balance money, it allows you to shop on their site for free and free shipping, and you get what? Free products. And these are the first free products that I received once I joined Temu Influencer Program. Yes, all of those products. Yeah. Over here is the different levels that will let you know how much money will be given to you. And it is based on your how many subscribers and viewers you have, and so on and so forth. It goes into details. And as you see over there, the higher level you're at, the more money you can get, and more free products and actual cash that can go in your bank accounts that you can get. So take your time and read this information over here of all the benefits that you can achieve if you become part of Temu Influencer Program. And these are also my links I will include in the description box, so they are going to be clickable, so you can become a Temu influencer like myself and get that money and get them free products. How about that? It's a win-win situation, guys.